Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting the essentials: a concise script, 1 to 3 reference images, and a 30-90-second voice sample if you want realistic speech. Once done, create an account on your chosen AI video platform and verify email. Make sure to pick the right output settings like 1920x 1080 and 16:9. You should also set a project folder and name. Doing this now saves time and avoids rework when you move into the creation steps. Now you assemble scenes, upload your script, images, and voice sample, and assign lines to each image or character. Then configure the face model and animation intensity so motion looks natural. Adjust lip sync and timing to match your voice. Next, set backgrounds, transitions, and caption placement. Choose music and lower it behind speech. As you tweak these parameters, preview short segments to catch timing issues and refine expressions before rendering the whole sequence. Finish by rendering a short test clip first. This saves time if you need adjustments. You should review the test for sync, visual artifacts, and audio balance, then iterate on problematic scenes, re-render only those parts when possible. Once satisfied, export the full video in your chosen codec and resolution, and archive the project files for future edits. Troubleshooting tip: if lip sync or jitter appears, lower animation intensity and rerun lip sync alignment, then preview again to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.